less?
If the doubler less, the repair will fail. Because you lost 6072 and suddenly you design doubler, you got 5000 Newton. So you have another 1072 Newton to carry. Where you want to carry it? Where you want to put those 90760 1092 1072? Okay. For example, if the doubler, like you say again, as answering your question, say this is 5000 Newton. And you know the ori is 6072. The difference is 1072 Newton. So where you want to send this? So if we got angle, so it will go here. And if we go there, you will extra increase the load here. Or if continuously going through here, the plate will fail because the plate require 6072, but you put in 5 Newton. The plate will fail. The repair plate here will fail. Okay. The repair plate and this area will fail. Am I answering your question?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Alright, that's why you have to do check. You have to do the you have to compare the load. You have the next thing after you got the value. So you need to do the check. Okay. So here the doubler strength. Okay, here doubler strength. Divide by the loss. Then when you divide, you got 1.5. So this is reserve factor. 1.5 reserve factor means you have 50%. Reserve in the repair. So this how to check. You have to check reserve factor, which is you divide by the original. Divide by the doubler strength to the original strength, and for the reserve factor it must be more than 1, and then you can see you got 1.5. So you got 50% more load on the doubler. So it is okay. First check is good. This is first check is good. Good.